Let's revise some important remarks. First, there is infinite number of straight lines can be drawn or passing through one given point. Only one straight line can be drawn passing through two given points. This is an infinite number of planes can be drawn passing through one given point, and also there is infinite number of planes can be drawn passing through two given points. There is infinite number of planes also drawing passing through three collinear points, but there is only one plane can be drawn through passing through three non-collinear points. There is infinite number of planes can be drawn containing one given straight line. There is only one plane can be drawn containing two parallel straight lines, or two intersecting lines, or a straight line and point outside it. Relation between straight line and plane may be the line inside the plane, that means the line is contained in the plane L subset from X, the plane X, or maybe the straight line parallel to the plane means L parallel to X, or intersect the plane at point like this, maybe L intersect the X at point A. Relation between two straight lines in the space. First, maybe they are intersect, but they should be in the same plane. L1 intersect L2, of course, at point like A. Maybe they are parallel, but they will never intersect, but they are in the same plane. L1 intersect L2, in this case equal phi. Or maybe they are skew. Skew, that means they are not in the same plane, like L2 and L1. In this case, L2 belong to X, but L1 is not belong to or not L2 subset from X, but L1 is not subset from the plane X. The skew lines are two lines are not in the same plane first, but they are not intersected or parallel lines. Relation between two planes, maybe they are coincident, plane X equal plane Y like this, or parallel, plane X intersect plane Y equal phi, or they are intersecting and of course they will intersect at a straight line. Plane X intersect plane Y equal AB line segment or straight line. Let's have an example. Here we have in this figure, try to find AB parallel to which plane? AB. Here we have AB parallel to which plane? Of course, it's parallel to C dash D dash D, and also B dash B dash B is parallel to what? Parallel to C dash D dash D also. And plane what? Parallel to plane what? We have more than two parallel planes. Maybe AA dash BB dash and AA dash B dash B parallel to DD dash C dash C, or take another two parallel planes like plane AD D dash A dash B C dash B dash. Plane AB B dash A dash intersect plane B C dash B C dash B dash. They will intersect at, of course, a line. This line is BB dash, and we need to find the intersection between ABCD and DCC dash D. They will intersect at C. Using the opposite figure, try to find the intersection between the plane AA dash B and AA dash C dash C. The intersection, of course, will be in a line, and it will be AA dash. AA dash and not are two skew lines. AA dash we need to find another line which is not in the same plane with AA dash, like B dash C dash. Type D dash C dash and not are skew lines. D dash C dash, we need to find another line which is not included in the same plane, or not in the same plane with D dash C dash, like CB. Of course, there is many solutions. If we say that AD and NOT are skew lines, AD and NOT, we need to find another line like CC dash. The angle between A dash D dash D and ABB B dash A. Of course, the two planes are perpendicular, so the angle between them equal 90 degrees. We need to find the length of B dash. AB dash is a diagonal in right angle triangle ABB dash, so it will be square root 5 square plus 3 square. Finally, it will be root 34. BC dash also is the diagonal in triangle BB dash C. It will be 3 square plus 4 square equal 5 centimeter. And we need finally A dash C, a diagonal in a right angle triangle C dash B dash A dash. It will be 4 square, square root 4 square plus 5 square equal root 41 centimeter. Try to remember, if we have a shape like triangle, the perimeter equals sum of its sides and the area equal half time base time height. Square, the perimeter equals side times 4 and the area equal side square or half diagonal square. Rhombus equals side times 4 and the area equals side times height or half d1 times d2. Rectangle, the perimeter equal 2 times L plus W or and the area equal L times W. Circle, the circumference or perimeter equal to pi r or pi times diameter. Area equal pi r square. Parallelogram, perimeter equal sum of its sides but area equal base times height. Pyramid, we have many types of pyramid. If the base in shape of quad, that means makes the pyramid quadrilateral pyramid, and if the base triangle, that makes it triangular pyramid. If the base is a pentagon, it will be pentagon pyramid, and so on. In pyramid we have 4 congruent. All studies is on regular quad pyramid. Regular means that the 4 side faces are congruent and all of them are in shape of isosceles triangle, right? And the height in this face or on side face or lateral face will be mx. Is called a slant height. It's a height in a right angle, is a height in an isosceles triangle, okay? But the height of the regular pyramid, quad pyramid, will be the point or the line, perpendicular line which join between the vertex of the pyramid and the center of the base. So mn considered to be the height of the pyramid. Here we have the last side xn represent half the length of the base, because it's the point of intersection line joining between the point of intersection of diagonals, the center of the regular quad, that means the base in shape of square, and the center will be the point of intersection of diagonals. Of course, xn will be half the length of the base. To find the lateral area of this pyramid, the lateral area equal half perimeter of the base times slant height. Slant height again is represented by mx, and the total area equal the lateral area plus base area. The volume will be 1/3 base area times height. We have 2 important triangles in regular quad pyramid. First of them, first side in the first triangle, right angle triangle, represent the half of the base of the pyramid, and second one represent the height, last one represent, or the hypotenuse represent the slant height of the pyramid. Another pyramid, triangle, right angle triangle. First represent half of the base, and second represent the slant height, and the third side represent, or the hypotenuse represent, the edge of the pyramid. And this is part from the lateral side, which is an isosceles triangle. We have here an example: regular pyramid in its base in the shape of square, side length equal 12 cm and length of the lateral edge equal 10 cm. Find lateral and total area, volume, and the height of the pyramid. First, let's find or draw the first triangle, which contains the base of the pyramid and the lateral edge. Here we have an isosceles triangle because its lateral face, and its base equal 12 and edge length equal 10, and we know that this is an isosceles triangle. We need to find the length of L. Of course, we know that the perpendicular line in isosceles triangle bisects the base. That means it divides the base into 6 and 6. First, we can finally we can find L using Pythagoras. L will be square root 10 square minus 6 square to be 8 cm. Then we have another triangle, right angle triangle also. The first side equal half the base, and the second side equal height, and finally the length of slant height is the hypotenuse. We know that the length of the hypotenuse equal 8 and half the base equal 6. Try to find the height using Pythagoras would be L square root 8 square minus 6 square equal 2 root 7. Finally, we need to find lateral area equal half perimeter base time slant height. Half time perimeter base, of course, it will be 12 times 4 square, because it was a square, times slant height equal 8. Finally, it will be 192 centimeters square. Finally, we need to find the volume, total area equal lateral area plus base area. The base in square base, that means side times side, equal 12 square. Finally, it will be 336 centimeters square. The last required is finding the volume. To find the volume, equal 1 over 3 base area time height, and base area at the base in square shape, it will be side times side, or 12 square, time height of the pyramid equal to 2 root 7. Finally, it will be 96 root 7 centimeter cubic. Another example: a volume of regular polygon pyramid equal 400 centimeter square. Height, find its height when area equal 16 centimeter square. Volume equal 1 over 3 base area time height. So 400 equal 1 over 3 base area, which is equal 16 time height. Finally, height equal 3 times 400 over 16 means 75 centimeters. Another example: the volume of regular quad pyramid equal 1200 centimeter cubic, and its height equal 12. Find the total area. Here we have the volume equal 1200 centimeter cubic, height equal 12. We know that the volume equal 1 over 3 base area time height equal 1200. That means base square equal the base in shape of square means side square or base square, whatever yani. It will be 1200 divided 4, because 1 over 3 times 12 equal 4. Finally, I can say that side square equal 300, or side or equal 10 root 3 centimeter. We know that we have a triangle which is equal half the base, and the height and the hypotenuse represent the slant height. To find the slant height, L will be square root 12 square plus 5 root 3 square. It will be root 290. To find the lateral area, it will be half perimeter base time slant height, half time perimeter base side time 4, of course, 10 root 3 time 4 time root 200. The cone, here we have the cone has, of course, base equals is a circle, and the length of the radius equal r. The height is a perpendicular distance from the vertex to the center of the circle, or the circle at the base. And here we have the height, or the slant height of the cone equal L. And to find the lateral area, it will be pi RL, and total area will be pi RL plus pi R square, or pi R time L plus R. Finally, the volume equal 1 over 3 pi R square H. Alright, circular cone, base radius equal 6 and its height equal 8. Try to find the slant height. Here we have the right angle triangle. The first side equal the height equal 8. The second side equal the radius, which is equal 6. Try to find the slant height equal 6 square root 6 square plus 8 square equal 10 centimeter. Then find the total area. First find the lateral area equal half time 2 pi r time slant height. It will be pi RL. Finally, after simplifying, pi time R6 time L equal 10, 60 pi centimeter square. The total area will be pi R time L plus R, or lateral area plus base area. It will be 60 pi plus pi R square. Finally, it will be 96 pi centimeter square. Volume equal 1 over 3 pi R square H. It will be 1 over 3 pi time R square 6 square time 8 equal 96 centimeter square. Alright. Cone, its perimeter of the base equal 88 centimeter, height equal 20 centimeter. Find the volume first. Perimeter of the base equal 88 means circumference equal 88, or 2 pi r equal 88. 2 times 22 over 7 times r equal 88. Find r equal 14 centimeter. Then we need to find the volume. The volume equal 1 over 3 pi r square h equal 1 over 3 time pi time 14 power 2 time 20 equal 1306.6 centimeter cubic. Find the volume of the following using the given data. First, we have r equal 9 and h equal 14. We need to find the volume. Volume equal 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3 pi time 9 square time 14. It will be finally 1187.5 approximately. Type. In second case, we have the height equal 24 and the slant height equal 26. So I can find r square using Pythagoras. It will be square root 26 power 2 minus 24 power 2. Finally, it will be 100. That it will be 10 centimeter. Then we can say that the volume equal 1 over 3 pi r square equal 1 over 3 times pi times 10 square times 24. A regular quadrant pyramid. The area of the base equal 700 centimeter square and the slant height equal 20 centimeter. Find the volume. First, the side length equal the area of the base. The base is in shape of square, so the base area equal side square, so the base side equal root 700 equal to 10 root 7 centimeter. So the first side, which represent half the base equal half the base length equal 5 root 7, and the slant height equal 20. We need to find the height using Pythagoras. Height will be square root 20 square minus 5 root 7 all power 2 equal 15 centimeter. Finally, the volume equal 1 over 3 base area time height. 1 over 3 times base area equal 700 time height equal 15. It will be 3500 centimeter.